I'm Tristan Nonoy. I'm here to talk about the fundamental skill of basketball, which is the dribbling. In basketball, dribbling is the legal method of advancing the ball by oneself, as opposed to passing it to another player or shooting for the basket. It consists of bouncing the ball on the floor continuously while walking or running down the court. Dribbling the ball in a game can only last up to 23 seconds. Because according to the rules of basketball, each team is only allowed 24 seconds for each ball possession. So technically speaking, it is impossible to dribble continuously for a minute or so. With that being said, I can now conclude that the energy system that is more actively involved in dribbling the ball during an official basketball game is the phosphagen system and the glycolytic system. There are many drills that can improve your dribbling skills. Among the most basic is the so-called low dribbling. This kind of drill is performed mostly by novice players. For the advanced players, I modified the drill by adding another task, which is catching. In this modified drill, which I call dribble, catch, throw, the player will dribble the ball in the same manner as the low dribbling. The only difference is that the player will have to catch a tennis ball using the non-dribbling hand and throw it back to his or her partner. This drill will not only develop your dribbling skills, but it will also enhance your court vision. Most of the common mistakes by basketball players is to look on the ball while dribbling. By doing so, the player's court vision becomes limited. And in basketball, especially if you are the point guard, it is very important to have a good sense of court vision because it will allow you to see what's happening on the court, the position of your teammates and opponents. Players who can initiate incredible passes probably have developed a good court vision. They can dribble the ball without the need to look at the ball. Another benefit of this drill is that it will also establish a good eye-to-hand coordination, and it will also improve your reaction time. As you can see here, the eyes of the player is focused on the tennis ball and not on the ball that is being dribbled. It allows the player to dribble the ball without being conscious about it.